Okay, so do you guys remember Hexbugs? They were those little weird things that would scoot around on the floor, maybe on a nice little track or something, and it'd be lots of fun. And someone was like, hey, this would make a good cat toy. And then the makers of Hexbugs were like, hey, this would make a good cat toy. So yeah, now they're cat toys. And we do happen to have a cat. Yep. And so yeah, he's gonna review this for us. Okay, Pancho, come over here. Come on. I got something for you. Oh, yeah. Here he comes. Okay. Come on, buddy. Okay. Let's see if this hopefully has batteries in it. Yep, opening it with my foot. Uh-huh. What could it be? A cat's toy? Maybe. Come on, sir. There you go. Ooh. That is fun. Okay, it's got like these two little scooter things all over it. That's not the interesting part. And, oh, there we go. Aha. Okay. Oh, you gotta chase it, buddy. Oh. That is too fun. Just whack it. He's still figuring it out. I don't think he knows what to do with it quite yet. At least it doesn't, like, just go immediately under the fridge. That's what I really was hoping it wasn't going to do. Come on, Panch. Come here. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ah! It's chasing me. Let's bring it this way. That's funny. Good kitty. You gonna do anything? Come on, come get it. So I'm not sure how to respond to this. Oh, there we go. Excuse you. Yeah, I don't want it getting stuck under the fridge. Normally you chase these things, man. What are you doing? Oh, there you go. The first tap. I think I need to sweep the floor. Ooh. Ooh. It's chasing me. Doesn't really do too much chasing, it just goes in a circle. Cool. Here he comes. No, 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 no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Please come back. No, 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 no. No! That's the worst possible spot. Oh, you jerk. No! Gah! Dang it! I should have caught it. Jeez. No! He is scared. Dang it. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. Oh. Maybe? Maybe I can rescue it. Okay. Okay. Maybe I can save it. I'm not sure. Oh, no, he's scared. I'm sorry to scare you. I just want this thing out too, buddy. There's a lot of cat toys under here. Where'd it go? I don't see it. There's a giant cord under here. I don't know. I'll look around for it. Need a flashlight first. This was going so well. And then it turned out so badly. Where are you? I see it. It's like stuck underneath the bottom foot of the stove. This is gonna be a pain. Jeez. Okay, stoves do come out. So, yeah. I was just gonna have a nice day today, but then this had to happen, and now we're stuck doing this, and hopefully not breaking things. Okay, come on, stove. Come on. Sorry, downstairs neighbors. Yep. Now the thing is, it's also on, so that's another part of this to consider. Yep. So, that's the difficult thing. I see him. He's just hanging out down here. Okay, I feel like I can get him, but it's gonna be a pain. I need a long stick. Okay, the closest thing I could find to a long stick was this broadhead arrow. I have that for reasons. But yeah, I should be able to maybe get it out. I'll show where it is. Come on. Okay, do you see him down there? Also, yes, clean my stove out, okay. And yeah, I need to figure out a way to get him out. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to go for it. Yeah, it's down there, and there's only one way I see of me getting this out, because I don't have my little grabby old man stick thing, so, not a euphemism. But yeah, I don't have that, so there's only one other way. Oh, that's bright. Okay, so if I get stuck down here, my wife will be home in like 20 minutes or so, so I'm doing what I must. Okay, this is good. I got it. There we go. Yeah, so I don't think I'm stuck yet. Would be pretty easy to. Okay, let's adjust this. Oof. Yep. Okay, I'm not stuck. Everything's fine. I got the toy thing, which will never go back behind here again. Just adjust. Yep. Okay. Yeah, that's where I was. Yeah, okay. We're good. We captured the toy. It's a really great purchase. So, my review. Don't ever bring this near the underside of your stove. Otherwise, it will go straight for it and go straight under there. Instead, bring it over to some fun little place, like over here. Da-da-da-da-da. Into the darkness. Turn on the light. And place. Yeah, this is where this belongs. Just right here. There we go. See? He can't hurt anything. Not even himself. Oh, okay, there's still that thing. So, I don't know where this can go, where it's just going to try to escape to. So that's good. Maybe I'll find some other place, or a large pan or something for him. I don't know. This thing's problematic. It's cute, though. Pancho kind of liked it. He batted at it twice. Where is he now? I think he's hiding from it because it was scary. Where are you, buddy? Pancho. Hey, buddy. What's up? Sorry about that. Didn't mean to. That's over there if you want to play with it. So, yeah. So my review of this thing is 3 out of 10. Don't ever let it go near your stove. Ever. Because it won't come back and you'll have to dig it out. So, yeah. That's that.